Subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of my all new videos. Assalamu alaikum friends, I am your host Taimoor Baloch and you are watching Taimoor Baloch channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you have to install the weight of 1 to 5 bike. It is very easy to install the weight of 1 to 5 bike, but some people feel difficult to install it because they are not balancing it properly, and if you don't balance it properly it will be very difficult for you to install it on your bike. So I must say that please balance it and it will be very easily fitted at its place. So here you can see that the weight I have. Before installing the weight you must have to check the position of a weight. This is the clutch box position, so I will make it downward because there will be the clutch box installation, and on the upper side there will be the magnet coil installation. So as you can see that I am moving it very politely, so you have to move it very politely. No use of hammer and no use of anything else. That's it. You can see that it is installed properly to its place, and as I am moving it I am checking it the balancing, and if you have properly installed it, so there will be a great balance, there will be no extra movement. So I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please like a video, and if you have any kind of any problem you can comment below me. I will give the response.